Hi, very good evening to all. My name is Bhavana and our subject is foreign trade. This is for BCom first years in first semester. In this previous lecture, we discussed what are the importance and implementations of the Indian trade policy. Today we are discussing what are the current export-import policy. Let's see here. Our topic is current export-import policy. That is present current export-import policy is nothing but foreign trade policy. Present we are following the principles 2015 and 20. Yesterday we see major trade policies of India. Exim policy 1985, Exim policy 1988, Exim policy 1990, Exim policy 1991, Exim policy 1992 to 7 and Exim policy 1997 to 2002 and Exim policy 2002 to 2007. Next, the foreign trade policy 2004 to 2009, foreign trade policy 2009 to 14 and the foreign at present we are implementing that foreign trade policy 2015 to 20. So in our subject now we are discussing what is the current export import policy, who implemented that, what are the importance, what are its objectives. Today we discuss all these things. The BJP led National Democratic Alliance NDA government announced its first new 5-year trade foreign policy. Who announced this? The BJP led National Democratic Alliance NDA government announced the first new 5-year trade foreign policy, that is 2015 to 20 on 1st April. On 1st April the BJP government announced the new foreign trade policy, that is 2015 to 20. The new 5-year foreign trade policy provides a framework. Framework means it is a blueprint, means a plan to all exporters and units in special economic zones for increasing exports of goods and services as well as generation of employment and increased value addition in country, in keeping with the Make in India vision of Prime Minister. In this previous class we discussed for increasing our exports, the foreign trade policy implement some policies. For that policy we discuss the Make in India is the first present trending policy created by our PM Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So it is one of the implementation for increasing our exports. Let's see here. The new 5-year foreign trade policy provides a framework. It provides a framework means it provides a plan for all exporters and units in special economic zone, those who are exporting the goods, for that exporters, and also special economic zone. Special economic zone is nothing but that area which is far away from our, like there is some areas which are, you can say, they're remote areas which is far away from our cities. So for the development of these SEZ zones, the government gives some benefits, means reducing taxes or allowing free trade of goods and services without implementing any restrictions, reducing taxes, like they encouraging that SEZ economic zones. In a special economic zone for increasing exports of goods and services as well as generation of employment. In this case we can increase our employment opportunities and increasing value addition in the country, means the value of currency value has been increased for increasing exports, in keeping with Make in India by also considering Make in India. Make in India means, what is Make in India? We have to produce all types of goods within a reasonable price in our country only. For these goods we have to export to other countries. Vision of Prime Minister. Make in India is the vision of the Prime Minister. So the first new foreign policy is to encourage the exporters and also encourage SEZ, special economic zones, and also give importance for the Make in India. It is the aim of the Narendra Modi ji. The main focus on the new policy is to support both manufacturing and service sector. The main focus, the present new foreign trade policy is mainly focused on manufacturing sector and also servicing sector. Manufacturing sector means we have to manufacture industrialized goods, and service sector means the India has to provide very good services. And in the yesterday class we also see that India is the big service provider with all the other countries. So For encouraging these goods, it is also one of the implementation of the new trade policy. They encouraged our manufacturing and service sector. The main focus of the new policy is new foreign trade policy 1520 is the main focused on manufacturing and service sector. Next, the foreign trade policy lays down a roadmap for India's global trade engagement in coming years to make it a significant participant in the world trade by 2020. In this previous year, we see that the India is the 126th place, almost last 50th place the India is there. So for improving our rank, the foreign trade policy lays down a roadmap. Roadmap is nothing but a blueprint, that is a plan for India's global trade engagement. Trade engagement means exchanging of goods and services into upcoming years, that is 2015 to 20, to make a significant participant. We have to participate in that exchange of goods, so then we can improve our ranks from 126 to 100 below. So it is also one of the aim for the new foreign trade policy. The new foreign trade policy of 1520, the aim is we have to improve our trade engagement. Trade engagement is nothing but exchanging of goods and services from one country to another country. So we have to improve our rank from 126 to below 100. These are all the aims for the new Indian trade policy. What are the aims? First, the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance government announced the first 5 years trade foreign policy. The new year trade policy provides a framework to tell all exporters and units in special economic zone for increasing the exports of goods and services, as well as generally we have to increase our exports and imports. We have to create employment opportunities, and we have to make India as a vision. Next, the main focus of the policy is to support both manufacturing sector and service sector. Next, the foreign trade policy lays down a roadmap. It creates a roadmap for increasing our trade engagement in the upcoming years to make it significant participate in the world trade by 2020. These are all the current foreign trade policies of 2015 to 2020.